Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I am not here with any craft or drawing tutorial. I am here with this clay tutorial, how to make this homemade clay with all-purpose flour, maida and salt. And this is a very eco-friendly clay, but though it is eco-friendly, do not please watch that your kids do not eat it, because it contains a high amount of salt in this. And this clay you can make very easily at home, and you can store this clay for about 1 month in the fridge, and you can keep adding the colors also, or a flour if the clay is soft. So it is very eco-friendly clay, and even a beginners, it is very good for the beginners, because they can keep on working with the clay till they reach a desired shape or pattern they need, because this is a very slow dry clay. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this homemade clay easily with the materials that are easily available at your home. So let's start to make this clay. Take a bowl, add 1 cup of salt, add 1 cup of water, and try to dissolve this. Just keep on stirring, but the salt content is so much that it is very difficult to dissolve. But to give a clay a good texture, just try to dissolve the salt. Keep on stirring till the salt gets dissolved. Try to dissolve, otherwise your clay texture will be affected with the salt. And salt acts as a preservative in this homemade clay, so it is a very important key ingredient of this clay. So just keep on stirring till the salt gets dissolved in the water. It will not completely dissolve, but try to dissolve as much as possible. Now we'll add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, that is maida. 1, 2. Now add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Now we'll knead it. This teardrop forms. This means the clay is perfect. So now knead it properly and take a Ziploc bag. Just apply oil on it. And this you can store it in the fridge for up to 1 month. Some clay, I'll show you how to color it. I'm taking this acrylic color. You can add in the color. This manner. Just mix it. You can always add the flour when you think the consistency is this is acrylic colors. I'm adding some flour to it. color till you get your consistency. Just take all the color. So see, this is done. See how beautiful this clay looks, and I have done it with green color also. I prefer to use acrylic colors. You can always mix colors to get your desired color, and if the clay is soft then you can add the flour also, or you can paint over when your project is dry. And this is really a very slow drying clay, so it will help for the new learners to keep on doing their skills on the clay, because it is really a very slow drying clay. It takes about 4 to 5 days for your projects to dry or more, depend upon the thickness of your project. And you can always bake it also for 4 to 5 hours on minimum temperature. This is really a very slow drying clay, but the positive point of this clay is that its shrinkage is very less. Yes, when you make a flower or any project, the shrinkage is very less. Most of the clay shrink after it is dry, but in this clay it doesn't shrink so much. So I like this clay very much, and you can always, the kids, it is very good for the kids also. Why to buy from the market? You can prepare this with the ingredients that are easily available in the market and even at your home. Do comment me about this video. How do you like it, and it is useful to you or not? And my upcoming projects will be on this clay, so please stay connected to my channel, and do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell. Till then, happy arty and crafty. Thank you.